Have you ever wondered how to generate income through assets? Let's delve into the topic of income-generating assets. These are investments you make into ventures such as companies, real estate, or even startups, with the expectation that they'll yield a return. This return could come in the form of income, capital gains, or both. It's a smart way to expand your wealth and secure your financial future. So what are some income-generating assets you can consider? Let's dive in and explore. Stocks are a popular choice for income generation. They offer two main income streams: dividends and capital gains. Dividends are a portion of a company's earnings distributed to shareholders, while capital gains arise from selling a stock at a higher price than you bought it. But remember, the stock market is a roller coaster ride. It can be volatile. So the risk factor is quite high. The key to investing in stocks is research, patience, and diversification. This trio can help you navigate the unpredictable waves of the stock market. Bonds are another stable income-generating asset. These are essentially IOUs issued by governments or corporations, promising to pay you a fixed income over a certain period. If you're looking for a reliable flow of income, bonds are your go-to. They offer a lower risk, but consequently a lower return compared to other assets like stocks. You can start investing in bonds through bond funds or directly from the issuer. Remember, bonds can be a safe bet for conservative investors seeking steady income. Real estate is a tangible asset that offers multiple income streams. Let's delve into rental income first. It's a steady cash flow that can potentially cover your mortgage and operating expenses. Then there's property appreciation, the increase in property value over time. Also, don't overlook real estate investment trusts, or REITs. They allow you to invest in real estate without the need to own, operate, or finance properties. Remember, real estate requires a significant upfront investment and ongoing maintenance. Real estate can be a lucrative investment if managed effectively. Mutual funds offer diversification and professional management. Imagine this: a group of investors pooling their money together to buy a wide array of stocks, bonds, or other assets. That's a mutual fund. It spreads risk across a variety of investments, making it less likely you'll lose all your money if one investment goes south. But remember, these funds are managed by professionals and they don't work for free. Management fees can eat into your returns. Mutual funds can be a good option for beginners in the investment world. Peer-to-peer lending is a modern income-generating asset. This innovative form of investing allows individuals to lend their money directly to borrowers through online platforms. The appeal? You, as the lender, can earn interest income, much like a bank. But here's the kicker: the risk of default is higher. Borrowers might not repay the loan, leaving you with a loss. However, with proper due diligence, you can mitigate these risks. Peer-to-peer lending can offer attractive returns, but remember to assess the risk. Cryptocurrency is a new age digital asset. It's a digital currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. As an investor, you can earn through appreciation in value or by staking coins, which is similar to earning interest. But remember, the crypto market is notoriously volatile and subject to regulatory uncertainties. It's like riding a roller coaster. Thrilling highs and gut-wrenching lows are part of the package. Cryptocurrency can be a high-reward, high-risk investment. So these are some income-generating assets you can consider, from stocks and bonds to real estate, mutual funds, peer-to-peer lending, and even cryptocurrency. Each offers unique opportunities for income, but also come with their own risks. Diversification is key to balancing these risks. Research is your best friend, and understanding your risk tolerance is paramount. Remember, the best asset for you depends on your financial goals and risk appetite. Happy investing!